Hello everyone, today we are going to see about new technology that is nanotechnology. So what is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology involves the understanding and control of matter at the nanometer scale. The so-called nanoscale. A nanometer is an extremely small unit of length, a billionth of a meter. 100,000th part of human single hair. A interesting thing is that on the nanometer scale, materials may exhibit unusual properties. Like, when you change the size of a particle, it can change color, for example. Gold can appear dark red or purple, while silver can appear yellowish. That's because in nanometer scale particles, the arrangement of atoms reflects light differently. Let's know how nanotechnology changing future. Like in nanochip industry, Neuralink and nanorobotics. Now we will see how about some industry. Like future clothes. Coating of nanoparticle on fabric. A number of companies have begun work in this space, including Nanotechs, Aspen Aerogel, BASF, and Nano Horizons. Basically, these coatings work by applying a layer of hydrophobic molecules to the fabric, making them capable of repelling liquids as simple as water, or as complex as coffee, wine, and mustard. Treated fabrics are seemingly impervious to getting wet or getting stained. It also helps to improve resistance to bacteria and make your clothes smell fresher, longer. Let's talk about cancer treatment by nanotechnology. In cancer treatment, standard cancer treatments are wide-ranging, and there is the risk of damaging nearby healthy tissue. Because it's difficult to target tumors exclusively, nanotech therapies offer the ability to enter the body and deliver drugs or other treatments directly to the targeted cancer cells without damaging healthy tissues. As the National Cancer Institute explains, despite nanoparticles being smaller than individual cells, they are still large enough to enclose molecular compounds. That makes them effective drug-carrying vessels. Now we will see how it resolves problems of vaccination delay. Many vaccines, like COVID vaccine, however, require multiple doses given at varying time intervals. That means you have to make several appointments with your pharmacy or your doctor to get shots, sometimes weeks or months apart. This can be particularly challenging for children, or just for folks with busy schedules. According to a 2022 study published in Science Advances, scientists used nanotechnology to create capsules with a hollow core that housed multiple vaccine doses. These doses are then released at later dates. The secret to the nanocapsule's success is the composition of its lid and the way it reacts with the body. Over time, the lid of the shell becomes increasingly porous until it reaches a critical breakdown point and opens up. When that happens, the payload is released into the body. Moreover, the time in which the drug payload is released can be controlled by the composition of the capsule. That means a single injected capsule could have many doses, and designed to deliver one dose immediately, and one or more doses weeks or months later, all without having to visit the doctor's office again.